Think of your mind as a room. What you choose to place in it, what you return to look at again and again, shapes its entire atmosphere. What you revisit repeatedly, day after day, doesn't just pass through. It becomes the very furniture of your inner world, defining the quality of your emotional life. Is this space cluttered and chaotic, or is it calm, open, and filled with light? The choice, more often than we realize, is ours. The mind, by its nature, has a powerful magnetic pull toward the unresolved. It returns often to unfinished fears, lingering regrets, and meticulously crafted imagined scenarios. It will replay an awkward conversation from last week, rehearse a difficult discussion that hasn't happened yet, or dissect a past mistake until it feels raw and present. This is the pattern of rumination, a well-worn track that our thoughts follow automatically, deepening with each pass. But not everything that calls for your attention truly deserves it. Not every thought is an invitation you must accept. This constant mental repetition, this looping narrative of worry and regret, quietly erodes our inner peace. It's a subtle hum of anxiety that can grow into a deafening roar, stealing the quiet joy from the present moment and casting a long shadow over our potential for calm. We can learn to interrupt this cycle. The first step is simple awareness. When you notice your mind has wandered back to that familiar, anxious place, gently acknowledge it without judgment. Then, consciously redirect. Anchor yourself in the now with your breath. Feel the simple, steady rhythm of your inhale and exhale. This is your anchor in the present moment, a safe harbor from the storm of thought. From this grounded place, you can practice intentional revisiting. Instead of dwelling on what's lacking, guide your mind toward gratitude. Revisit a moment of genuine connection, a small beauty you noticed in your day, or a feeling of accomplishment, no matter how minor. Let the warmth of that memory fill your awareness. Feel the texture of the chair you're sitting on, the taste of your tea, the sound of the world outside your window. This isn't about ignoring problems, but about cultivating a healthier mental diet. It's about choosing to water the seeds of peace instead of the weeds of anxiety. So, choose carefully what you mentally revisit today. Choose to furnish your inner world with intention, with gratitude, with gentle presence.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.